On this short tutorial guys, I'm gonna show you how to fix Snapchat login issue. First thing guys, open the settings on your phone, go to the apps manager. When you open the apps manager on this page, you will find every app that you have on your phone. So all what you want to do is scroll until you find Snapchat and click on it. And then click on force stop and go to the notifications management. Make sure to enable all the notifications and then go to the data usage. Make sure to enable all these options. Go back, click on storage, click on clear data and click on delete. And after that, all what you want to do next is go to the Play Store or the App Store, search for Snapchat and update it. And now all what you want to do last is turn off your phone and turn it on again. Don't forget to like, subscribe.